This is a video on removing the pin on the shift pawl for a Evo 5 speed. I searched the manual, I couldn't find the description of how to do it, and I searched YouTube and I didn't find the video, so I was hoping maybe this would help somebody. It's a toy use. It's a chain breaker with the anvil with a spring on it. A 14mm socket and a 5/16 12-point socket, both quarter drive. And there, so the Evo, the pin's pressed in. This is a 96 Police Electric Glide. You just put the chain breaker, or the 14mm on the back side there, and the chain breaker like that, and I just tighten it up. For the 5/16 acts as a guide for the anvil. Just tighten it a little bit, and there it is, already popped loose. Then we're going to put the new spring on there and reinstall it. Now, I'd already taken the spring off because doing this would damage the old spring. So put it back on. I just use a C-clamp. And a 3/8 spacer. There's the spacer. And it just goes over the end of the pin like that right there. Put the C-clamp on it. Just tighten it down, and it'll press that pin right back into place.